Okay, gonna do a quick review on Lot Farmington Smoked Sausage. It's fully cooked, no MSG, added, and gluten-free. It comes in 14-ounce sizes. Okay, serving size 2-ounce. Servings per container 7-ounce. 7. Calories 170. Fat calories 130. $15 grams total fat. 5 grams saturated fat. 35 milligrams cholesterol. 500 milligrams sodium. Total carbohydrates 1, 2. Sugars 1 gram. And 7 grams protein. Get 2% of your vitamin A, 0% of vitamin C, 0% of calcium, 2% of iron. Good, nice significant source of trans fat and dietary fiber. We live pretty close there to that house, so we did a lot of grocery shopping there. We done, I don't know, I've done bought on how many of these things from the store since they open. Yeah, it's pretty good sausage. It's what we're gonna have on tonight. Tastes good, and it's, I guess, somewhat healthy for you. You just cut it up and cook it like you do anything else. You do any regular sausage. Got good taste to it. Good and filling. Like most name brand sausages. This is a lot cheaper than the store brand sausage. It's a lot cheaper than what you pay for a name brand. It's easy to cook. It's already fully cooked. All you just cut it up and add it to whatever you're cooking, or fry it up, whatever you want to do with it. This is Lot's Farmington Smoked Sausage. It comes in hardwood smoked. Comes in, I think, 3 or 4 different other flavors altogether. You can buy it at your neighborhood, Save-A-Lot, whatever. You get one near you.